how to log into your Disney Plus on a new TV. So in here, the very first thing that you guys need to do is make sure that you are logged out of your Disney Plus account on any sort of other TV, right? So on your new TV, make sure that you have installed the Disney Plus application, right? So after making sure that you have installed it, just like this, you will be able to see the Disney Plus interface on your TV too. From here, the Disney Plus interface is quite similar on TV and other devices, so you'll be seeing exact this type of interface from where you will be able to see the option of login, right? So all you need to do is simply click on that option login, and then after clicking on that login option, you will actually be required to add in the email address of your account and the password of your account. So what you're going to do is simply add on all of these credentials of your account. So like I said, you actually would need to remember the credentials of your Disney Plus account or your Disney account. So all you need to do is add in your Disney ID credentials and then tap on or click on login, and like that you'll actually be logged into your Disney Plus account on a new TV. So yeah, that is basically it. If you guys do have any sort of questions, then please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.